Yo dudes! Welcome to Almond Croissant Breakfast Squares! So we all love almond croissants and unfortunately they are not necessarily the most healthy things. These are a wonderful version which has similar traits to taste fabulous and is much better for you. Very easy to make.
And these are great for sharing, they really are.
Okay, base. So there's three parts to this. We have our base layer, we have our frangipane layer, and then we just have our topping. So in our base, in our bowl, we have 200 grams of almond flour, also known as almond meal. In on top of that, to make this somewhat breakfasty and to add in that whole grain element, we have 320 grams of rolled oats of choice. Use gluten-free if you are gluten-free. In on top of that, 130 ml of maple syrup or liquid sweetener of choice. We have a tablespoon and a half of almond extract, or teaspoon, and 600 ml of almond or oat milk or non-dairy milk of choice. You want to give that a mix there, Mr. Flynn?
Yes, sir, Mr. Flynn, thank you.
And while he's doing that, I will get our baking tray ready. We're going with a large brownie size baking tray. Just take your baking parchment and just crumple it up. Just makes it easier to level it out.
So is there anything I should be looking for with my base here? I'm just mixing everything so it's evenly homogeneous
like
texture.
an almond overnight oats. And when it bakes, it kind of goes nice and crumbly and it's slightly crispy. Okay, once it's evenly mixed, we're just going to pour in our base layer into our lined baking tray. Just carefully pop it in. Get your twin brother or friend or your left or right hand and just give it a nice mix, compressing it into the edges. You want to make sure this is well mixed, well compressed, and that it's level. Next step for our top layer, we're just going to move that aside.
So our next layer is our frangipane layer, is that right?
Similar to a frangipane. Frangipane is an almond pastry in essence. So we have 200 grams of almond flour.
We have 120 grams of melted coconut oil. And obviously, if you don't like coconut oil, use deodorized coconut oil because that doesn't have the coconut oil taste, but it has the same effect.
We have 90 ml of maple syrup or liquid sweetener of choice. And finally, we have 2 teaspoons of almond extract. That's going to give it that almond croissant-like note. Beautiful. Give it a nice mix until it comes together beautifully and smooth. Okay, once it's nicely mixed, the secret or the trick to spreading this, when you do go to spread it, it can all fall apart. So just carefully just blob it around.
Oh, smells fantastic.
Then just carefully get your spoon and just spread it out. Just make sure it's nice and even. Final bit, get some flaked almond. We're just going to spread it generously across the top. Just to finish this, just to help those almonds caramelize, we're just going to go with a little drizzle of maple syrup.
Okay, what's the oven heated to?
180 degrees. We're going to bake it for 35 to 40 minutes.
Wow, okay, brilliant. Okay, so into the oven.
We baked them for 35 to 40 minutes until they look delicious. They look like baked almond croissants. Oh. And the smell is delicious. Okay, so you want to make sure it's golden. It smells fabulous. It smells like an almond croissant. Whoa! So with this, you can chop them up. I would normally chop this into 32, so it does make a lot. They freeze really well.
But we're very hungry, so we're going to chop this in 2.
No, we're not on a chance. I'm just going to, it's a little hot. Ideally, I would let this cool longer, but I'm too excited.
Lovely frangipane layer.
They serve really well, and just like there's many ways obviously to serve this. This is breakfast. I'm just crumbling over some freeze-dried raspberry just for a pop of colour and a little bit of acidity to it.
And ladies and gentlemen, there we have it, the baked almond croissant breakfast squares. Delicious.
Really nice, and the oats provide that sense of slow releasing carbohydrate, but it also feels indulgent and it feels like a little bit of a treat.
It smells fantastic. Like it reminds me of almond slices. We used to have almond slices as kids, but you may remember.
The oat layer almost has a spongy quality. It's really delicious, isn't it? It's like that wonderful balance between like dessert and breakfasty. So these are wonderful. These are delicious.
Very good.
Almond croissant breakfast squares.
Not delicious. Biased at all. 10 out of 10.
They really are delicious. I really like them.
Very good. Yeah, great job.
Thanks for watching. We're Dave and Steve from Happy Pear. If you do
We're identical twins, in case you're wondering, and we've been eating plant-based for 25 years and writing recipes for the last 20 years. We're about helping you to eat more veg. We've got an amazing recipe club on our app. If you're interested, it's literally $3.99 a month. I'll put a link to it below. And thank you for watching. We really appreciate it.
Cheers. Bye-bye.